If today feels heavy, if your thoughts are loud and your light feels dim, this is my soul survival kit for the days you forget who you are. Let's breathe together for a second, because the world can make powerful people forget their power. Here are my 22 divine reminders for the moments when life knocks you sideways. 1. You survived every hard day before this one. 2. Your worth is not up for debate. 3. Rest is not weakness, it's wisdom. 4. Your boundaries are sacred architecture. 5. Healing is messy, and that's okay. 6. Not everyone deserves access to your heart. 7. Growth often feels like loss before it feels like freedom. 8. People who misunderstand you are not your judges. 9. Your nervous system deserves gentleness. 10. Silence can be self-respect. 11. Your past explains you, but it doesn't imprison you. 12. You're allowed to outgrow old versions of yourself. 13. Small steps are still steps forward. 14. Your intuition is ancient intelligence. 15. Kindness toward yourself is revolutionary. 16. Comparison is a thief disguised as a mirror. 17. The right people will celebrate your growth and healing. 18. Your story is still being written. 19. You don't need permission to exist boldly. 20. Your voice matters, even when it shakes. 21. You're not behind in life. 22. Most importantly, you're not broken. You're becoming. Listen carefully, angels. The corrupt benefit and profit when you forget your power, but remembering who you are changes everything. So when the storm hits, come back to this list. Read it again, breathe again, rise again. You've got this, my little champions.